swear down, they'll grow. Put your hands out. Right, I will feed you and you'll drink. I swear down.
Right, I'm out.
I'm not going to put it in your face and look like that, you idiot.
No, but I might be sick.
You
If I
won't.
go, it means...
You just spat in my fucking eye, you bitch. Oh my god. How dirty is that? Spat in the eye.
I just went...
I know.
It's taking photos.
I know. Put your hands out.
But what if I need to stop?
You won't, because I'm not going to force it down your neck.
You know, what if I'm going...
You drink it.
I'm up for a wee at this point.
You drink it. Oh, you drink as much as you can drink.
But what if I'm drowning
You
in
won't.
the
Put your hands out for fuck's sake. Drink.
No, hang on, I can feel it going...
It's water.
Yeah, but what if you can't tell that it's
Just put your fucking hands out and drink it and your hiccups are gone. Here. Drink it. Drink it. Put your hands out flat. I swear to God it'll work. Oh my God. It works.
Don't make me laugh!
I'm not.
I swear to God, it'll work. It'll work. Don't
Stick your hands out, just drink and it'll go.
Right, ready?
They're gone. Go on.
There you are then. So you put it homeless then?
You could just drink as
Why
much
is
as
it
you
taking
want.
you 5 years to come back? Don't you like
No, people at home probably don't know.
Keep your hands out. Keep your hands out.
Is that I have never left?
Yeah, where's your hiccups gone? Where's your hiccups gone? Eh? Thank you, Sarah. Give me a high five.
Hang on,
It's gone.
Because you won't shut
Have they gone? Have they gone?
You know you keep forgetting
No.
that. That's why I'm so
Have they gone, Mark?
I think they've gone.
They've fucking gone.
I feel like I'm going to go...
Have they gone? I'm not going to tip it on your head at all.
Is it true that Nicky Byrne from West
Not bad.
drunk in it.
and Louis
Have they
Walsh
gone?
is your uncle?
So gone.